Stand. Stand up like a big boy. Come on. We want to clap for Max. We want to clap for Max.
All right, let's walk, Max. Come on, let's walk.
Let me hold your other hand. Okay, here we go. A little bit. Here we go.
So walk with him, Pam?
Let's turn around and look at Pam. Look at Aunt Pam. Hi, Aunt Pam.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Aunt Pam.
Come here.
You want to go toward Pam? Yeah. Hi, Aunt Pam.
Hi,
Still
cutie
going,
pie.
He's marching in place.
Say, keep walking.
I gotcha. Go. I gotcha. I gotcha.
She's got you. She's got you.
Hey, I gotcha.
Here, I'll get you here. How's this? You don't even have to. You don't have to hold on to the fingers. I'll just get you like this. Okay. Let's walk. Come on, stand up. I got you. See?
Say,
Feel
nope,
me?
I need a finger.
Feel me? I got you. Let's walk.
Say, come on, Uncle Chad, give me a finger.
Let's walk.
Like a horse.
I got you.
Okay, grab Chad's finger then. Get Chad's finger.
All right, come on, stand up.
Come here, Max. Come here, walk the Grammy. Come here. Come here, walk the Grammy. No, stand up and walk the Grammy.
Stand up. Come on.
Come on. That's it. That's a good boy.
Let me get you.
Oh, look at Max. Look at Max. Such a big boy. Good job. Let's walk back to Pam. Let's walk back to Pam. Oh.
Hi, cutie pie.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, cutie pie.
He's learned the concept more, though, isn't he?
Yeah, he's getting better and better all the time.
You get a fake finger.
Yeah, I know.
You get a hand.
Let me just be walking along.
I see Max. I see Max. Hey, see, close up at Max.
Walk to Chad. Here we go. Here we go. Walk to
He
Chad.
liked it. When I had him out there, he liked to have one foot on the concrete and one foot in the mud.
Yeah, he likes to feel the difference there, I think. All right. All right. All right.